Hi everyone, and welcome back to Financial Basics. Today I'm just going to be continuing that experiment where we are looking at a Vanguard FTSE all-world accumulative count. We're using paper money. We invested £5,000 at the beginning of the year. It's been going for a couple of months now. I am pretending that 5,000 is my entire pot, so I'm actually drawing down on that at a 4% per year rate, which is £16.66. It's been an interesting couple of months. The market is actually down at the moment quite a lot. Obviously the withdrawals don't really help that number, but the final result at the moment at least is I'm down £191.68, and I think the market has obviously been moving in a more positive direction. I'm not too worried about what the market is doing as a whole. I'm only interested in the drawdown because I'm pretending to be in that drawdown phase if I was in retirement and that £5,000 was my entire pot. So I'm just gonna, not buy, I'm gonna sell 16.66 because it's been about a month. I can just review that and send sell order. Okay, and that'll execute. See you in a month's time. And please feel free to watch the rest of my videos, particularly in this series, to watch how I've gone through this whole process step by step. See you next time. Goodbye.